In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Parseword to your home screen. I'm using an Android phone, and for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Chrome browser. However, just use the browser that you are used to. I'm sure the instructions are somewhat similar to what you have on your phone. So what you want to do is load up Google Chrome, and you want to go to parseword.com and search, which will bring you to the Parseword website. Now, to add this as a shortcut to your home screen, all you have to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then scroll down until you see this option where it says Add to Home Screen. Tap on this. Now, in here, it automatically picks up this wording for the shortcut. But what I'm going to do is simplify it down, just call it Parseword, just by deleting the other letters. Then we're going to hit install, and you can see here it's installing. And as you can see here, we have now got an app icon on our main screen. We just tap on it and it opens up Parseword. And that's all there is to it.